In this video, you'll learn about event scoring within your lead scoring profile. The options available for event scoring can be found by clicking into the tab titled Events. This scoring can be applied if you're using the Events module in SugarMarket. There are 3 different options for event scoring. Event scoring allows you to score individuals who attended, registered, or requested a follow-up from a specific event. Generic event scoring allows you to score individuals who attended, registered, or requested a follow-up from any event. And wildcard event score allows you to score individuals who attended, registered, or requested a follow-up from an event that includes the specified keyword in the event or session name. Please note, event scoring can only be applied to events created within the SugarMarket Events module. To create a rule for a specific event, you should click the first Add New button. From there, you'll need to select the event name in the drop-down menu. For location, select the name of the event session. Next, you can assign a score for registering for the session, attending the session, and requesting a follow-up after attending. You can leave any of these options at 0 if you do not want to assign a score. Make sure the status is set to active and then click Save. To create a generic rule for events, you should click the second Add New button. First, select your rule type. You'll need to set up an individual rule for registering for any event, attending any event, and any event that was marked as a follow-up. The rule name should auto-populate when the rule type is selected. Next, you'll add the score for the rule. You'll want to consider how many active events you have and the weight of importance for the action you're awarding points for. Leave the target as any since this is a generic rule. Make sure the enabled box is checked and click Save. You should repeat the steps for any other generic rule type you'd like to award points for. Last, to set up a wildcard rule for event names or sessions, click the third Add New button. Then select your rule type. You need to choose registered, attended, or follow-up for either an event name or session name. Next, add your rule name. You should be specific for what the rule applies to. Your target is the partial or full keyword that the rule will evaluate. You need to add a % symbol before, after, and in any spaces between words. This feature will allow you to pick up multiple events that match the keyword you add as a target. Next, add the score. Be sure to consider how many active events you have with this keyword included in the name and how significant attending the event is. I'll leave scoring summary unchecked because I'd like an individual to receive a score for each time they attend an event with SugarU presents in the event name. If I only wanted the individual to receive a score the first time they attend an event with SugarU presents in the event name, I would check the scoring summary box. Make sure your rule is enabled and then click Save. Make sure to click Save when all your changes are made. Please note that event scoring can only be used if you're using the Events module on SugarMarket because event scoring requires access to the Event Management module. To learn more about data column scoring, tune in to the next video in this series.